Betterment notifications are a key feature of the Betterment investment platform, designed to keep users informed and up to date on their investment accounts. To understand Betterment notifications, let's start with the basics. Betterment is a robo-advisor that offers automated investment management services, providing users with a range of investment options and tools to manage their portfolios. The first step in understanding Betterment notifications is to know what types of notifications are available. Betterment offers a range of notifications, including deposit confirmations, withdrawal confirmations, and investment updates. These notifications can be customized to fit individual user preferences, allowing users to choose which notifications they receive and how they receive them. One of the key concepts to understand about Betterment notifications is how they are triggered. Notifications are typically triggered by specific events, such as a deposit or withdrawal from an account. For example, when a user makes a deposit into their Betterment account, they will receive a notification confirming the deposit and providing details on the transaction. To get the most out of Betterment notifications, it's essential to customize them to fit your individual needs. Users can do this by logging into their Betterment account and navigating to the settings page, where they can choose which notifications they want to receive and how they want to receive them. For instance, users can choose to receive notifications via email or within the Betterment app. Best practices for using Betterment notifications include regularly reviewing and updating notification settings to ensure they remain relevant and useful. Users should also be aware of the types of notifications they are receiving and take action accordingly. For example, if a user receives a notification about a withdrawal from their account, they should verify the transaction to ensure it is legitimate. In practical terms, Betterment notifications can provide users with a range of benefits, including increased transparency and control over their investment accounts. By keeping users informed about transactions and account activity, notifications can help users make more informed investment decisions and stay on top of their financial goals. In conclusion, Betterment notifications are a valuable tool for users of the Betterment investment platform. By understanding the different types of notifications available, how they are triggered, and how to customize them, users can get the most out of this feature and stay informed and in control of their investment accounts.